to bother yourself. Are you aware that this is a filling station? Telling you that inside Zion, inside this place, I'm not only talking about filling station. For now, this is the filling station, but I've seen fast foods. Where we say, if you come in here, boy, you get hotel, hotel. The problem I'm having here is the structures here are wonderful. Jesus. The name of this place is, if you get strength, come walk. If you don't get strength, they go. That's the name. The name of this place is, if you have strength, come walk. If you don't get strength, come they go. A whole lot of job opportunities. Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I want you, my brother.
Ibona mana gemonte na kwa mona ebi na na wata no basenketa atasemo ihe ma ya melo nwoke melo nwa ya na ya bekwa n'ọzọ ka isi abịa. That short video na chaketa bụ about Ebuka Obi. Evangelist Ebuka Obi akalike egwu na ghọta ụfọdụ oge ifekwa n'ihe dị mma mmadụ mee si na onye ahụ na-eme ọfụma. Ọ na-akọsi bido mgbe adoration ministry ga na their permanent site. Ọ na-akọsi ebido asị na mbaka secure na investment onye na-anụrụ nwaanyị onye na-asị na heaven is the goal a na-asịkwa na vanity upon vanity we secure ụlọ ewe na secure land ndị ụka na-azụ ana mbaka na-anụrụ nwaanyị. Today ndị na-benefit n'ebe ahụ most ndị na-benefit there bụ ndị na-ada ejede ụka nwana self odosipụ ụkwụ ọtọ wee criticize ụka mgbe ahụ kizie ha ha si n'azụ na-elu ụlọ na-enwe real estate na-enwe apartment ebe ahụ surroundings ka ha na-enweta ego from ndị na-abata na-enwe block industry supermarket provisions. Keta o setkwa na Zion ministry the same story. How long will you take people to understand that Jesus Christ has come to stay? As again, una worship foreign religion, una worship chi onye ọcha, Jesus nwoke onye ọcha. The last time I stopped replying them about Jesus nwoke ọcha was many years ago when I found out the origin that Jesus himself is not even a white man. So you could say that you yourself as a person, your own ignorance, your own itibolibo, that's your own itibolibo. Nwoke na-achị Edo State, mondo kpoboro ka mondo akpaboro bafia kagema akwụkwọ. For you, imepe ọnụ gị sị na Jesus nwoke onye ọcha, but Monday okpoboro nwoke governor Edo kagemala akwụkwọ. So mfuzi azo such of people nature ha anya nepolo ha anya. So biko ije na the comment section na type God bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi, God bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi na the comment section, because even your government cannot do such a thing. Your government again cannot do this. Your go call the one not upon video apa mama bye.
I am amazed. I am dumbfounded. I'm English. Home. Just get me this side. Just get me all this. Boy, get me all this. Then let's try here. You will not believe that this is done by one person. Listen, even if you don't like him, even if you are not a lover of him, but for the fact that you love good things, guy, go to comment section, type Evangelist Ebuka Obi, thank you for bringing light to Southeast. Jesus Christ. How do I explain to people that the person that owns this thing is not a politician? Because those days when they say men of God or man of God, then when you get the kind of eye when they take see men of God, that is to tell you that God is a giver of riches and wealth. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, God will never disappoint you. God will bless. Imagine this project sitting on 22,000 plots of land. Look at hotels, hostels, done by one. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, God will bless you. Imagine, see, let me tell you. You see how this? You see how cities develop. How cities they develop. How cities. I was just passing my bata here. Even DSS bata security bata. I must get that 11 naga. Ama mebem gaga. Eshimechie. Alotagasema connect to Aba Road. But I hear, and from work they come. And as I speak to you, jobs are going. Okay, Our Lady of Grace Hostel, the hotel. And like also, okay, our Seat of Wisdom hotel. Everywhere. Now let me shock you people. I have another place to show you. Please, if you love Ebuka Obi, share the video. Evangelist, Apama, I want to tell you that God will bless you for bringing development. For bringing development to start. If we start doing this, Nothing for TV. Oh boy, I'm just surprised. I was seeing you live. I don't know say this kind of thing that happen. Enjoy. Okay, no. You're blocking down my mind. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I want to say thank you for bringing this to service. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. And don't forget, we have a program coming up on 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. Evangelist Ako Zion. But for bringing me now, I'm angry with you. So here you have been anointing and blessing again. If you hate Ebuka Obi, you hate yourself. If you love him, you love yourself. Whether you hate him or you like him, type congratulations and share this video. One person, even when you are having a program here or you come for program, you don't need to bother yourself. Are you aware that this is a filling station? Telling you that inside Zion, inside this place, I'm not only talking about filling station. For now, this is the filling station, but I've seen fast foods. Where we say, if you come in here, boy, you get hotel. The problem I'm having here is the structures here are wonderful. Jesus. The name of this place is, if you get strength, come walk. If you don't get strength, they go. That's the name. The name of this place is, if you have strength, come walk. If you don't get strength, come they go. A whole lot of job opportunities. Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I want you to my brother. If you watch this video from the beginning, you see that now this area is for residential, for people who would like to live close to the ministry, for people who would like to say, I want to stay close to the, every kingdom, there must be people that will stay close to the kingdom. Ever now, residential. I want to live close to Zion ministry. However, I want to stay close to Zion ministry. However, I want my family, myself, everybody to stay close to Zion ministry. However, the Naga, can I have a channel? Can I 80%? Can I 80%? Never China. This one now, I'm a China Kakasia. Can I have a roof in here? Ndoro Gaga. Why won't God bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi? And guess what? Security, security everywhere. So guys, I said share the video, say thank you Evangelist Ebuka Obi for bringing this. Now let me tell you, outside joke, this is a city outside the city. This is a state outside Imo State. If you like, take it. If you like, don't take it. Because I know the distance here. This is my first time coming to this place. Hotels, even I care hotels. Then ebe na ozi residential ebe game onye ola briwezie. Agwa na aga no munne. Agwa na aga. Natakwa na ego, Ono na ego na quarter to no we tram some major here. But him like road foundation, just they go to foundation. Very high one. They go to just see the DPC as a builder. They go to DPC. So when we have a game on the road, here. As a many pattern compound. Woman them, Jishinike, we are together, eh? We are together, eh? Well, look at our structures.
Hospital no inside.
Hospital?
Yeah, hospital inside. School no inside.
Hospital no inside here?
Yes.
School no here?
Yes.
So this is a complete state?
Yes.
I can work more. I can work field.
Yeah,
I can work swimming pool.
My bank.
My banks.
My zoo.
So you be
zoo also.
Zoo.
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, so you be here when the business going to Aba or coming to
Yes, of course.
Evangelist Ebuka Obi ma create a state here. Oga with the governor because I want as him in a place where there is bank, where there is hospital, where there is school, where there is a zoo, where there is a recreation center like playground. You live, security, good road. I like it,